Folks, it's Jack over at BuriedCoins.com. Got another auction here for you on eBay. This roll is one of over 1,000 rolls we purchased from Nestate, all of which were home crimped, just like this one. This particular roll has a little bit banged up, well circulated, might even be cleaned. I'm not sure. I'm not a penny connoisseur, but this is a 1914. That's a Philadelphia mint on one side. The other side has a 1918. This one is a lot more circulated, a lot more brown, not as good at detail. This one is definitely circulated, not necessarily a keeper. However, we have no idea what's in between. I would never assume that the outside coins are not the best coins anyway, so believe me, this probably is not the best to see inside of the roll. Again, it's a 14p, 18p. We have no idea what's in between those two coins though, so make sure you look at our feedback though. If you do that, you'll realize that we've sold almost 700 of these rolls, all of which the feedback has been very consistent. They're all from the same estate, so any loose rolls that you see over the past 6 months are from the same exact lot, so you should get a good consistent feel for what's inside. I get reports of teens, 20s, 30s, 40s, and very minimal in the 50s, and an occasional Indian head. Good luck and enjoy, everyone. Have a great day.